Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge unboxing video of NYX products. If you follow my Instagram you will already know that I entered the NYX Face Awards again and I have got through. It was amazing to have gotten through last year, but to get through 2 years on the run is absolutely amazing and I'm so happy about it and so grateful to NYX. The challenge has been revealed as Animal Kingdom Glam, which is right up my street. My very first entry was to do with butterflies. My entry that I've just done was a twist on the Adam and Eve story where Eve turns into a snake after eating the apple as a curse instead of labour. If you don't already follow my Instagram, please do head over there now and quickly just give it a follow because that's where most of the Face Awards will be taking place. It is in conjunction with YouTube and Instagram, so if you do want to follow my journey then definitely follow me on Instagram. I came home to a huge gift box from NYX and it says our names on the front, so it says congratulations Craig. I'm joking, it says Holly. That was such a rubbish joke. Hi Craig. So it came in a huge black box which is like a gift wrap type box. It has a beautiful pink ribbon on the front and then it has a little tag saying congratulations Holly, you're in the top 20. What music is that off? Is it Thunderbirds? They used to creep me out when I was little. I'm gonna try and do this, so let's balance it on the shoulder. I did it. Right. This would be a really good idea if I could see and not actually only in the viewfinder. Oh my god, we have so much bubble wrap. This is the best bit of all. Wow. So immediately on the top of the box there are 2 sheets of paper. The first one is the little message. Congratulations, you're in the top 20. We are so excited to have you as a part of the NYX Professional Makeup UK and Ireland Face Awards 2018. Thank you so much for your amazing entry video and a huge congratulations on making it through to the top 20. We can't wait to follow your journey through the competition. I can't wait either. The theme for the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam, which I am very happy about personally. We hope that you all love the products we have sent to help you create your next look. For more information on the competition and full terms and conditions, visit www.nyxcosmetics.co.uk/Face Awards UK. This is me and my card, which is also going in my memory box. So this year, they've also sent us a face chart. They're going to showcase these at the live finals in June. This should be interesting because I've never ever done a face chart before. So if you're actually going to the live finals and you see one on the table done in like Crayola and felt tips, you know whose it is. So we have a little box inside of a big box, so this is the one that we're going to unbox first. So in that little box we have these super cute 3 steps to sculpt kits. So in these little kits we have a contour shade, a shimmer highlight shade, and then I think this is a powder highlight shade, or it might just be used as a powder. So they have sent us these in the colours Fair, which is gorgeous. I quite like that one. Light, I also really like this. This is like a champagne-y coloured highlighter. Medium, which is the one that I have just shown you. And also Deep. The highlight colour in Deep is absolutely beautiful, and so is this matte. It's like a blusher, this one. They're so aesthetically pleasing, aren't they? A highlighting palette. So this is the Born to Glow highlighting palette. So in here we have 6 frosted shimmer highlighters. There is this whitish shade highlighter, and then we have a more pinky champagne toned one, a deeper taupe toned one, a true gold, a bronze, and a pink highlighter. I really like pink highlighters. Next we have the Perfect Filter palettes, and they have sent us 5 of these. I think these are all the ones that they have in their range. Olive You, which is my favourite Perfect Filter palette. I actually have this one myself. So this palette consists of some olive green shades, brown neutral shades, a gold shade, purple, blue, and a yellow shimmer shade as well. And it's a mixture between mattes and shimmers. This one, and this one are mattes, and then the rest are shimmers and frosts. Then we have Golden Hour, which I can see being a very popular palette. This one has beautiful gold shades, and then it has a lot of pink toned browns. Then we have Marine Layer. So this one has a mixture of blues, pinks, greys, and neutral shades. It's really nice. This one is speaking to my inner goth child. So this one is called Gloomy Days, and this is more of a muted greys and blacks palette. It's more of a monochromatic palette with a little pop of blue, a little bit of brown. And last but not least, for the Perfect Filter palettes, they have sent us Rustic Antique. Oh my with. That is a nice palette. That is a really nice palette. This one consists of orange, gold, pink shades, maroon shades, nice highlighting shades, a couple of shimmers, a couple of mattes. They've absolutely spoiled us with eyeshadow palette. So the next thing that I can see is the cream highlight and contour palette, and we all know that I use the powder highlight and contour palette every single day, and I've hit pan on these two colours and this colour here in the powder palette. I absolutely adore it. They also have pans that you can flick out, so if you do hit pan on any of them, you can go into store or the website and then buy a new one, which I have done twice now with those two in the powder one. Oh my gosh, they have sent us so many. Oh my god! The Total Control Drop Foundation, and I actually have this foundation on today. Yeah, they've sent us 21 of these, so that just shows how amazing this range is for the diversity of colours. So they have sent to us the colours Pale, Porcelain, Light Ivory, Light Natural, True Beige, Medium Olive. This is the shade that I use. This is 09, so if you're anything like my skin tone, then give this one a go. Beige, Classic Tan, Golden Honey. I actually wish I was this shade just because I want to be able to say to people I'm Golden Honey. Caramel, Mahogany, Cappuccino, Deep Sable, Mocha, Deep Rich, Cocoa, Deep Cool, Chestnut, and Deep Espresso. So it's a foundation that allows you to build up so you can have sheer, medium or full coverage. They have sent us a very, very large amount of eyelashes. So they have sent them in the styles to us in Exaggerated, Overdone, Juxtapose, Popular, Amplified, Drama Queen, Doe Eyes. I absolutely love these ones. They are really pretty. Lay 'em on me. I can't sing, hence why I hum, so. And Exposed. They've sent us a couple of products by Redken, who are the sponsors of the Face Awards. So they have sent us the Hairspray Backcombing Finishing Spray. This will be amazing for me because I actually needed some hairspray for the hair that I want to do. And then they've also sent us the Shine Glistening Mist. And this will be amazing as well because since I have bleached my hair, the shine has gone out of it because it is dry as anything. They've sent us the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. We all know it's one of my favourite palettes. Some of these are matte and some of them do have a little bit of shimmer in it. So this yellow tone, this green tone, this blue, this purple, pink and red have shimmers in it. If you do want to know any more about this palette, on my channel I do have a review and comparison video of this palette. This in conjunction with a neutrals palette makes absolutely amazing eye looks, and then you can create anything that you want. The Be Gone makeup remover wipes, which are always handy when you're doing makeup all over your body because it takes days to get off. You think you've got everywhere and then you'll look behind your ear and there'll be a big blob of green. I personally have very sensitive skin and these are really gentle on my skin, so I like these ones. My favourite, one. Sent me my favourite one. So these are my favourite products of the whole NYX line. These are the Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powders, and they have sent the one that I use all of the time. So this is Crushed Bloom, and this is the colour that I used in my entry video. I also use it for so many festival looks that I do. It is the prettiest pink highlighter. You put it on and it looks really, really natural, and when you go out into the light and it hits the light, it is bright pink. It is this beautiful blinding shimmery pink colour. So they have also sent us them in the colour Synthetica, which I absolutely love. Wow. So this is an orange with a duochrome gold shift to it. Snow Rose, which is a cream colour with a duochrome pink shift to it. That is very nice. I ran out of my taupe pencil because I now have blonde hair and I don't like my eyebrows being really thick anyway. I actually like them being quite thin. The micro brow pencils, if you did not guess, in the colours Taupe, Chocolate, Brunette, Ash Brown, which I like to use at the end of my eyebrows as well if I'm going to do a gradient from light to dark, Black and Espresso. So on one side of these it comes with a spoolie and on the other it comes with the product. I'm reunited with my baby. This is something that I've wanted for a while. So this is the Epic Ink liner, and this is the liner that is in the form of a pen. They have sent to us the new Worth the Hype mascara, and apparently this is worth the hype. They have sent to us an extreme amount of brushes. We have a mixture of face and eye brushes. 01, which is a kabuki brush. I now have a kabuki brush. I've always wanted to say that. 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 09, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. And my favourite brush of all time for doing cut creases and cutting the brows, 14. They have sent us more ways to a gal's heart. Glitters! Violet, which is one of my favourites. This is a purple with flecks of blue, green and pink in it. Bronze, this is one of my favourites. Silver. Crystal, which is a holographic glitter. And rose. Ice is a much thinner consistency than the other glitters, and I actually love using this one as an inner corner highlight. They've sent us these, which they did a whole launch for, and I couldn't go because I was in work. I was so gutted. It was at the Gherkin in London, I think, and apparently it was such an amazing night. So these are the soft matte metallic lip creams. They've sent these in the colours Milan, Soul, which is a lovely purple colour, Monte Carlo, Rome, Manila. Manila is vanilla, but Manila is not vanilla. That is such a nice colour. Budapest. Copenhagen. This is a very vampy red brown colour. I think I will like this colour. This is my absolute favourite. I am obsessed with brown lipsticks. This is Dubai. Canes, which is more of a natural pink colour. Madrid. Paris. Oh no no. Havana. When you try your best but you don't succeed. They've sent us the cutest things ever. So these are eye pencils. The faux whites inner eye brightness, so they're for the waterline and the inner corner of your eye, and they're going to be used to brighten those areas. Oh, my eyes are going to look so doe-eyed and cute. So they've sent us these in the colours Lavender Blush, Honeydew, Seashell, Linen, Baby Powder, Vanilla to go with Manila, Mint Cream and White Smoke. I love the Vivid Brights range. It is such a pretty range, and being a fan of colour, of course I love the Vivid Brights range. So they've sent us them in the colours Get Money, which is a bright green, Aqua Sapphire, which is a kind of sea green colour, I would describe that as, Endless Skies, Light Show, which is a shimmering gold colour, and Glam Rock, which is a shimmer shaded brown colour. It's quite orange toned. Pillow Talk, which is a purple toned brown. I think it's a little bit taupey though. I really like that one. Sugar Rush, which is a pastel purple. Blueprints, which is a powder blue. The Special Effects cream colours. These are seriously good, but you 100% need to set them with the Special Effects set powder. Green, orange, brown, fuchsia, purple, silver, gold, black, blue and yellow. They've also sent us the Special Effects set, so that is good because then they won't be going absolutely everywhere and ruining clothes, ruining bedrooms and ruining lives. So we have some nip slips, called slip tees. Oh my god, nip strip tees. NYX slip tees. It's a pun and it's punny. A full lip colour oil. I have never heard of that concept before. I wonder if they stain or whether it's just an oil based product. I will try these ones out. Koi Vacation, which is a very cute name but a very bright pink. It's a very cool tone pink, so this will make your teeth look white AF. I like this colour. Beyond Basic, it is a brown colour. And a red colour. This is called Red Queen. These are the Lid Lingerie matte eye tints. So I wanted to know with these whether you literally just put them on and let them set, or if you put them on and blend them first. I've been a little bit curious about these. Bad to the Bone, which if they do blend out, this will be amazing underneath an eyeshadow. This will make the colour pop so much. Power Trip, Iconic. I like this one, oh so fine, and it is a khaki green colour. Dynamic, this is a cream pinkish toned colour. It's very pretty. I actually want to use these on my lips. Better Than You, which is a purple colour. Bang Bang, Revel, Mon Amour, Checkmate, So Not Sorry and A-Line. So these are the Shimmer Down pigments. Mauve Pink, Walnut, and Almond. I think this will be the one that I will use because it is such a pretty colour. And then the last thing in the box is this pigment primer. I have never heard of a pigment primer, so I think it is just a normal eyeshadow primer, but maybe it clings better to pigments because there is a lot of fallout with pigments. You do have to be careful with them, but pigment's a pigment is enough, so I'll be interested to see how it performs on top of a pigment primer. So that is everything that is being sent to us by NYX for our next challenge, which is Animal Kingdom Glam. I'm really excited to create my look, especially with all of these amazing products. It is once again very overwhelming receiving a huge package like this, especially when you're not someone who does it often and you're not on any PR lists or anything like that. I'm honestly so grateful to NYX for sending me all of this. Thank you so much. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up on the video, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow my NYX Face Awards journey and to see what I create next, because I will be putting the video on YouTube of what I create. Leave a comment down below if you have any of these products or any more NYX products, and you know, make a recommendation to me. What do you use? How do you use it? What colours do you like? If you have a similar hair colour, eye colour or skin colour to me, is there anything that you like to use that is complementary or to do your eyebrows or anything like that? I love reading comments like that because it helps me be able to get new products. So I'm babbling a little bit, but yeah, if you're not already following my Instagram, please head over to there now. My name on Instagram is Makeup by Holly B. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!